Isaac Flowers. I work here at Craig's Power in Colorado Springs. Been here for about 2 years. When I think about Craig's Power, I think about personability. I think about a family. Everybody that works here, we all know each other. We're all very close-knit. And I think that also resonates with our customers. Something that we really take pride in here is putting ourselves in the customer's shoes. When it comes to their problem, their issue, they need to buy a new mower, whatever the case may be, we really try to kind of look at it from their perspective and what's going to be the best option for them. I'd love to get sales, I love to make money here, but at the same time I only want to get what's best for the actual customer. And I think that every employee here puts that on their highest standard when coming into work here. So I think something that's really special about Orec is they have a product for every season of the year. You start with the garden quake. That is a rear tine tiller that is useful for whether you're a residential or a commercial customer of ours. A rear tine tiller is definitely going to be a lot more durable, but it's also going to beat you up a whole lot less than those front tine tillers that everybody is used to. Something I see customers having to make the sacrifice of is they want a 48-inch mower, but they have a 3-foot gate to get into their backyard, so they can't buy that mower. They have to end up buying a 32-inch mower. The Winged Badger that Orec carries, that's a 42-inch stand-on mower, but whenever you have to get through those tight gates, it goes up to 34 inches and those wings fold up. I think that's something that the Winged Badger really capitalized on, is making it more user-friendly for people that can mow that front yard and then get through that gate and get into their backyard, you know. So Orec has been a staple in brush mowing for over 80 years. A product that I absolutely love by them is the Brush Rover. It comes in a 4-wheel drive or a 2-wheel drive option. This is great for slope mowing, 2-inch saplings, whatever you have. If your property's gotten out of hand, this is your guy. They do have a locking differential on both the 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. So if you need that extra traction to get up that hill, over something, whatever the case may be, that's going to be your machine. So Orec carries a Cyclone flail mower. It's a walk-behind product, both in the wheeled and tracked versions. You will see some upsides to the tracked versions, a little bit more surface area to those tracks, and whenever you're in that kind of wet, marshy kind of environment, that's going to be your go-to. So the Cyclone does have 38 full flail blades on both the wheeled and tracked version. So as I mentioned earlier, you do have the Rover on the Orec side, but whenever you need something smaller to walk behind, whether it's a big field or a tighter space, that's going to be the perfect product to really mulch up that debris and everything else in between that you have out in that field for you. Orec has come out with the Typhoon flail mower now. It is basically the Cyclone and the Snow Rhino combined, but bigger and better. With a few improvements, you're going to have a bigger front base as well as bigger flails. And then it's also a ride-on version, tracked. So if you are a fan of the Snow Rhino, this is going to drive in a much similar perspective. You are going to get a better operator's position in terms of your view, but you're also going to move at a much faster and more efficient speed as well to get your job done. So another product that Orec carries is the Trailblazer. This is a huge product for properties, large properties. Whether you need to get around mulch, rock, log, whatever the case may be, it will carry 650 pounds of payload and move that around with a tracked motorized machine. This can go over logs, this can go up steps, whatever the case may be. And if you have too big of a payload for that thing, the walls do expand. Worst case scenario, you can take them off and put a pallet on there even. So I think something that's really special about Orec is they have a product for every season of the year. You start out in the wintertime with the Snow Rhino and the Snow Bull. The Snow Rhino to start is a stand-on zero-turn snowplow. Works for very niche applications in terms of we have companies up in Denver that use them for the railways going to the airports. It's a very small surface area, so it's able to fit sidewalks, stuff like that. You move to the Snow Bull, and that's something that is perfect for storefronts, sidewalks around your building, whatever the case may be. Those are the perfect applications for the wintertime. So here at Craig's, we couldn't be happier to be a part of the Orec family. Not only have they added a unique flair to our inventory, but they've also added great relationships in this industry. They are always a call away. They're always ready to answer a question, and they're always ready to show up at our doorstep if we need anything. And I think that's something that I will always carry with me when pushing the Orec brand.